12/5/2020. It is the first calendar week of December out of the way. They came in and they bought in and shot this bull run in the Dow Jones. 30,218 is the last print. Yes, the first 5 days have gone parabolic up, and they have. And it's very frothy and it's very overbought. That's the key, my friends. Percent K, 99.9% overbought on the daily. When we go ahead and snip through here and go to the weekly, that weekly right up there, 99.99%, and the slower one there is 93. When I flip it over to the monthly, as I am, that there is 93.2 by 100% overbought on that percent K. And it's just showing us how overbought these time frames are in this particular price cycle that we've had to the upside in these exchanges, with a lot of disconnect. And look, I'm not going to go into all of the history of why. It is what it is. It's algorithms in the exchange models. It's the quant systems, our Panther quant system. It tells us the story. It tells us just how overbought we are on the Dow Jones. Look for extreme price volatility to hit this market now that the first 5 days are out of the way. And like always, my friends, when we get to these extreme levels of chart pattern indicators that signal how overbought we are, then the volatility is around the corner. I would caution you here at this point in the game, if you've been in the market and you haven't taken your profits, you better think about it. If you're just a regular trader, like 90% of us are, then short term, you have to go with what the chart is telling us here and how imbalanced mathematically the markets are. So when you look at all of the different weighted exchanges and you look at all of the call side, the put side, call and put ratio to the marketplace, bullish, bearish percent indexes, and many other things that go along with it, is now we have gotten up here into this exuberant phase again. And it is very exuberant at this point, as far as the majority of the crowd being lopsided all on one side of the trade. So when it comes time to selling, then that's how you get that volatility that we're talking about. And look for that volatility next week. And today is an update through the Trader Network, and where the exuberant phase has shown us today, and what to expect moving forward, and what side of the markets to look at. And the market has pretty much baked everything that you would want to have happen has happened. And then you have to ask yourself, though, when is it fully priced in? And you can only know that when they get to these extreme readings. And we are in that extreme reading in the first 5 calendar days of the month on the Dow Jones at that very strong, remarkable bull rally run. And that appears on the chart as it does. However, it's at 99% overbought on the daily. Look for bigger pullbacks and look for much higher volatility in the next couple of weeks and next week's trading.